Hey guys, here's Ms. Clark with Quiz 1.02. Here's example number 4. First, what is a line? So we see our picture here of line AB, and notice it has arrows on both sides. A line is a straight, no curves, it has no thickness, and it extends in both directions without end, infinitely. If it does not have ends, it's called a line. If it does have ends, it is called a line segment. A line has infinitely many points, so it's only showing A and B, but there are infinitely many points between, and it goes on forever and ever in both directions. What is a line segment? So here we have line segment AB, and notice it has end points, not arrows, because it stops. The part of a line that connects 2 points, it has definite endpoints. Adding the word segment is important because a line normally extends in both directions without end. The segment has a finite length that can be measured. What is a ray? And here we see ray EF with its endpoint going infinitely in the direction of F, and it passes through point F. What is a ray? It is a line that has a start point but no end point. A ray extends infinitely in one direction. Imagine a flashlight shooting out its beam. Its ray of light starts at the end point and goes on infinitely in one direction. And that's example 4.